So we'll begin by just becoming aware of your body. You might want to sense yourself sitting or lying on whatever you're sitting or lying on. Feeling that support. And inviting your body to relax into that support as much as it would like in this moment. Really giving your body permission to relax or not, whatever it would like. And if it feels right to bring your attention to your breathing, to your inhale in your body and the exhale in your body, you can do that. And if for any reason that doesn't feel comfortable, you can bring your attention to something else, like the sounds in the room around you, or the sensations of sitting or lying. And whatever you choose, just letting your attention rest there. And when your mind wanders, you can gently bring it back to your chosen point of attention. And then you can either stay with that if you like, or you can follow my voice for this meditation and bring to mind a time when you gave someone a gift. Could be a small little gift, could be something big. Could have been a gift of your time. Just one time when you gave someone a gift. And just feel what that was like. And just remember your heart's intention when giving that gift. The generosity that you felt that was inside of you. Really let yourself feel that intention to give. And you can stay with that if you'd like, or you can follow my voice and bring to mind a time when you said something kind to someone, when you spoke kindly to someone. It Could have just been today at the grocery store or at work or sometime in the past. Any time that you can remember when you just spoke kindly. Again, feeling that intention that's inside of you to be kind, to speak kindly. Even if it was on an email or a text. And if you have more than one time, you can bring in more times. But just feeling, slowing it down enough to feel your heart when you spoke or wrote kindly. And then you can stay there or continue with me, remembering a time when you saw someone suffering and you had compassion arise in you. You felt compassion for them. It might have been in real life, on a Zoom call, on the news, any time that you had compassion for someone suffering. Feeling your heart caring and having compassion. And then you can stay with that or come along with me. And remembering a time when you comforted someone in a small way or in a large way, but you wanted to comfort them and you comforted them. Even if you don't know if they were really comforted, you were comforting. And feel your heart and your intention, your beautiful intention to comfort. You can stay there or continue with me, remembering a time that you listened to someone. You really listened to someone. Could have been something upsetting or just some normal conversation, but you really listened. Again, feeling your heart and your intention to listen and your gift of listening. And again, you can stay with that, or following me, remembering a time when you helped someone who wasn't well. It could have been just giving someone a Band-Aid or checking their temperature if they were sick, taking someone to the hospital or visiting them. Sometime when you supported the healing of someone. And just remembering that. In your intention to help that person's health, to help them heal. And then again, you can stay there or following me and remembering a time that you went to a spiritual teaching or a spiritual class or in some way listened to teachings that you hoped would open your heart. And just feeling that intention you had to be more open and more kind maybe, or checking what your intention was for having those spiritual teachings, to hearing them, or to going to that workshop or retreat or class or church or synagogue. I'm just feeling into your intention. So now just noticing that sense in you of really wanting to be of service. Just how beautiful this intention is in you and how deep it is in you. And just really letting yourself fully embody that beautiful intention or those beautiful intentions you have, that you carry in you. Your deep longing to be of help and service. And really let yourself feel it. This is who you are. This is what you bring to the world. And so much more. So much more.